Are we turning that way? Which way are we going? Straight?
Guess so. Go left.
Yeah, left, yeah.
Once we straighten out right here.
Yeah. Are we doing second gear? Alright, bet. Does make a little bit of a difference. Yeah. Miss fifth. Holy shit, I missed fifth bad. Damn. Oh my god. I fucking missed fifth gear, bro. That's so bad for the trans. I'm so not used to this shit. I fucking missed fifth. Dude, my shit is hot, bro. Missed fifth. Yeah, that 85, man. Shit. I don't need to be running it like that. I missed the fuck out of fifth. I can't believe, yo, I can't believe I fucking missed fifth gear. I fucking missed it. be a cop. Oh my God, I fucking missed fifth gear. Alright, good runs. That was literally the first time I've done a pull, like a legitimate pull in this car boosted. So hey, I mean, I think everybody makes a mistake. Everybody makes a mistake at least once their first time. That was literally my first pull ever in this car, like running somebody. So I gotta get used to the turbo. I gotta get used to like shifting because it's a little bit different. It's actually a lot different. I think what happened, actually I don't even know what happened. I don't think I shifted fast enough or what, but that E85, he does have a bigger turbo than me. The top end on his turbo, is a lot more than mine. For a second I thought I just fucked up my clutch too, like, but oh man, because I felt like I went into fifth and then it just would not go into fifth. I'm so used to doing pulls in A. Yeah, I gotta work on shifting from fourth to fifth. I'm so not used to it. You know what? I'm gonna call it right there. That was my first time racing this FRS. Hey, we're gonna get another run. We're gonna get another run. Let me kind of get used to the car because I'm gonna keep it a buck. Like I said, this is the first car that I've ever boosted, man. I'm not used to it yet. I always wanted to just do that because like it was literally the perfect opportunity. I just wanted to see what can happen. Where the car stands on 93, and honestly I'm happy. I mean, I fucked up. I fucking missed fifth. His car is 100% faster than mine though. That E85 is no joke. Oh man, I'm gonna go home right now and just let the car sit. Fuck, I can't believe I missed fifth, man. I'm gonna beat myself up. Fuck, I can't even speak. I'm gonna beat myself up on that for a little bit, man. Damn, but hope you guys did enjoy. Don't hate me in the comment section. Don't come at me in the comment section too hard. Damn. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Deuces.